press. Now let's check out some Pro Streets that are in the garage or on the bench. And I've got a recently finished or finishing Mustang that I wanted to show. It's a 1965 Mustang Fastback. It's actually the Revell Monogram Hertz GT350 kit that's been obviously modified a fair bit. All I've kept is the body shell itself. The rest is 3D designed. I've gone for a very orange. I'll show you what those paints are, but I've offset it with a lot of black. I've gone for a traditional setup as far as big tires and big tubs at the back, a big engine with a supercharger at the front. But then I've blacked out, around the windows. I've blacked out the wheels, the tires, everything. It's a full chassis car, 4-link in the back, carbon fiber drive shaft, and that's a 640 cube Ford Motorsport motor out of a Bigfoot. So you can see the big triple Predator carbs on the top and the Hemi style heads. It's got strange brakes front and back. It's got RC comp wheels front and back. It's got Hoosier tires front and back. It's got coilovers. It's got a detailed interior. I'll show you a little bit of that. It's been wired and decaled up. Slicks decals throughout. Really sets it off. Battery, you can see it's wired in the back. You can see the nitrous bottles that are all wired up as well, and some of the computers that support the build. Now, for this specific color, you can see that pearl orange, and I've got a billet fuel filler at the back, and I actually redesigned the rear tail lights, so they're a 2-piece tail light so I could detail them correctly. Then up front, I've got a horizontal bar set of grills on a GT350R type front end, and then I've got a radiator and a radiator support that's set up there. Very old school Moroso style water pump on the bottom running off the crank. As I said, Hemi style heads, big supercharger, nitrous injected, and if you take those valve covers off, actually all the valve train details there as well. Okay, a little bit on the 5-point harnesses. They're a System 1. Scratch built all of the harness straps there. Wheels blacked out, like I said. You can see the silver highlights on the bead locks. I think it sits really, really nice. I actually started with the stance and worked the rest of it around the stance. You can see that 350R. It's a custom-made front end, 3D designed. So that looks really good on it. Happy with the way that turned out. And I just went orange. So that turned out great. Now, I do have the option to add wheelie bars. I've taken them off for the time being, but it's there. You can see the reliefs kind of on the rear apron for where those wheelie bars will come through. Door handles blacked out. And yeah, so I used SMS V-Line orange as the base, and then Tropical Glitz Florida Grown ready to spray over the top. And that's what gives it that deep orange base and that sort of orange gold pearl that comes through in the different light. Obviously the engine is huge. It is a big talking point for this build. I love the way it sits. Like I said, it's the Bigfoot engine, came out really, really good. And the thing is huge, right? It's big in real life. It's big in scale form. Looking inside, you can see some of the detail. A carbon fiber the dash, race pack on the dash, Kilduff Systems shifter. You can see all the wiring's done. And that's a little bit of a look at the rear tires. So I hope you like the build. I enjoyed it.